Hi, this is Betsy Birdsong with the Birdsong Group, brokered by eXp Realty, and I want to talk to you today about how to declutter your home forever. And this video is for both buyers and sellers. The biggest rage right now is this woman named Marie Kondo, and she is a Japanese lifestyle celebrity, and she helps people declutter their home. And what is her secret? Well, she wants people to only keep the things that spark joy in their lives. And how does she help them go about doing that? Well, what she wants you to do is she wants you to take items by topic, let's say. So the first thing that you do is you start with clothing, and you touch each item that you own of clothing, and you think about whether that item of clothing sparks joy in your life or not. And if it does not, then you get rid of it. After you've gone through all of your clothing, then the next thing you do is go through books, and you do the same thing. And then you go through papers, and then you go through miscellaneous items, and those might include the kitchen stuff. And then the last thing you do is go through mementos. By the time you get to mementos, you're going to be an expert at this. Now, what I don't want you to do, and what she doesn't want you to do, more importantly, is that you don't keep things that might come in handy down the line. What she believes is if you really need something, then the newer version of that thing might bring you a whole lot more joy than keeping the old version just because you think it might come in handy. Now, I am smiling because I have people in my life, or people that I know, that is their mantra. They keep everything because one day it might come in handy. And according to Marie Kondo, that is a terrible way to live. You need to keep the things that spark joy in your life, not the things that might come in handy one day. So remember, take the process slow. Don't stress over it unless you're someone who's getting ready to sell their house, and you might not be able to go too slow. So I want you to do this before you go buy storage bins or go rent a storage facility like some people have to do. I think it will bring joy in your life when you get things decluttered, and it definitely will help you sell your house. If you're a home seller, and if you're a buyer, it's going to be a lot less stressful to have to move all of that stuff. So if I can help you, or my team can help you, please reach out. This is Betsy Birdsong. My number is 504-376-7650. And on the website, you can click on Home Evaluation. We'd love to help you with that. Or click on Search for Properties, and that will give you access to all the properties that are listed in the area. We work in the greater New Orleans area, and we look forward to helping you. And remember again what Marie says. Look for the things that spark joy in your life. And that should be something that you think about, whether it has to do with things that you own or just the way you live your life. Think about that. Have a great day. Bye.